Hello students, in module 2 we will discuss what are the type of files and their attributes, and what are the permission given to the files, nothing but read permission, write permission or rewrite permission, so on. The below figure shows ls command with options. Ls means listing files and directory content. Ls command can be used to obtain the list of all files available in current directory. All files they can stored in current directory arranged in ASCII collating sequence, means number first, uppercase and then lowercase with the file names in each line. Directories often contain many files, and we may simply be interested in only knowing whether a particular file is available or not. In that case, just we use ls command with the file name. Here in this example that shows how ls command works. Here first numerical, including numerical files are displayed, then uppercase letters files are displayed, then for lowercase letters, like that. Once again, if it is lowercase, then once again the number and then the characters should be displayed, like that. All the files are holding when you go for using ls command. ls command is used to obtain a list of all file names in the current directory. The output of Unix is often referred to as a listing. Sometimes we combine this option with other options for displaying other attributes or ordering the list in a different sequence. For that we are using ls command. ls look up the files inode to fetch its attributes. It lists 7 attributes of all files in the current directories, and they are -x multiple column outputs display, ls-f marks executable with star, directories, slash and symbol like at. Minus L with ls minus a shows all files beginning with dot including single dot and double dot. Minus r displays recursive list of files. Minus lowercase r that provides sorting a file in reverse order, nothing but ASCII collating sequence by default. Minus with ls minus l that display long listing in ASCII collating sequence showing all different 7 fields of the files. Minus d refers directory names. Minus and minus lut that sort the last access time. Minus I displayed inode numbers. These are all some examples of options we are using with the ls command. Here the figure shows how ls command with option -l executes. That shows total number of files available in current directory, and also it shows ASCII collateral ordering of the files stored, and then each file contain what type of the option that contains. Here the first two files, first file refers, it is the option, it's ordinary file because D is not mentioned. If it is D is there, it's called directory file, right? Otherwise ordinary file. And then option is read write option, and then read write option, and also only read options are there, not execute option. Here second file that contains read write and execute option, read write execute options, and read and only execute options are provided for this file. Like that, the third one, the first column refers that D, that indicates that it is a directory file, and then that or what are the options for 9 options are there. Each and every option should be displayed with that we discuss in permission in the permission concept. Here like that all the files are possible to hold with different uh, operation, the different types of options that they are provided in the files. In this slide that shows ls with different other options, ls minus a, l, s, then pipe, then less. Like that other options are there. That shows ls minus a includes hidden files. If it is single dot file are there. If it is minus a, list of all except single dot and double dot files. Minus a, list of all including single dot and double dot files are displayed. If you give ls minus l, is a long format, already we have discussed. Ls minus s shows size of each file in a block, nothing but each file that contain one block on some systems and 1k block on some systems, half k block in other systems. Minus t in reverse time sequence, nothing but most recent, the first that's supposed to go up are printed first, and then we are using symbol vertical L vertical symbol is there, that is a pipe into less prevents running off end of screens. And also one command ls minus l that shows here total 2 files are there. Here file type is ordinary file. The permissions is read write and execute permissions, but here consider RW means read and write permissions, not execute. Only R means only read permission, not write and execute permissions. And then how many links are there for this file? Here only one link is there, somewhere it is 2 or 3. And who is the owner of the corresponding existing file, and what type of group that that file belongs to. Finally, the size of file in bytes that is displayed, and then what is the last modified date of existing file, and finally that display the type of file name. Here is one more example for ls minus l command. Is a textbook example. Here ls-l displays most of file attributes like its permission, size and ownership details. ls lookups the file's inode to fetch its attributes. The list of preceded by the words total 72, which indicate that total of 72 blocks are occupied by these files on disk. Each block consisting of 512 bytes in Unix, 1024 bytes in Linux. Here is example. We are using different options. ls minus la, list content of current directory in long format with a. Here total 126 blocks are stored in this current directory, and then single and double dot that indicate is a single dot indicate current directory, double dot indicate parent directory. Here the first one is current directory, the second one is parent directory, and then here dot with the file name or the hidden files which are available in that existing directory. Dot with the file name that indicate is the hidden files. And then you are using first column that refers D is the directory files are available in the existing file, in the existing directory. And finally you are consider which are all the plain files are available that display in last stage. Okay, like this, all the files are organized with the help of the command ls minus a. Here, a indicates, once again, a indicates all file names beginning with a dot, including single dot or double dot. That is possible to display with ls minus la command. When we have several files, it is better to display the file names in multiple columns. Modern versions of ls do that by default, but if does not that happens in a older version of system, we use "-x" option to produce multiple columns output. And then next one is identify directory and executable with ls minus f. Here the output of ls that I have seen so far showed the file names. We did not know how many of them were directory files, and to identify directories and executable files, "-f" option should be used. Combining the option of "-f" and "x" provides multiple column output as well. And the star indicates that the file contains executable code and / refer to directory. We can now identify the two subdirectories in current directory help of dir and progs. And next one is "-a" shows hidden files. It does not normally shows all the files in directories. There are certain hidden files often found in some directories that normally do not show up in the listing. The option "-a" all list all hidden files as well. Here in this slide that shows how ls command execute with "-x", and also that shows how ls command execute with uppercase F and X, and also third example shows how ls command execute with -axf commands. Here is the example for recursive listing using ls command. ls -r option lists all the files and subdirectories in directory tree. This traversal is done recursively until there is no subdirectories left. For example, ls -xr that provides all the subdirectories should be displayed as an example. Here -r that always tells the recursive list. Minus lowercase r sort a file name in reverse order with ASCII collating sequence by default. These are the simple ls command options. Here this slide represents few options of ls commands. ls -i indicate that shows inode numbers. When you type ls -i, that shows inode number. Here 710521 for 001f.txt file, like that for all the files that provides different inode numbers. Then second one, ls -r. ls-r that sort a files in reverse order of ASCII collating sequence. Nothing but the last appeared the number file, that is 001f text, and then remaining for lowercase, then for uppercase characters that's supposed to appear with ls -r. The another one we are go for using ls -t ls minus t always refers sort a file name by last modification time. Sort a file name by last modification time. For that, we are using different ls options. Here three options are shown: ls minus I, ls minus or ls minus t in this slide.